In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to install EA app for Madden NFL. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in EA download on PC. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now here you're going to find the option download EA app. Click on that. Once it has been downloaded, now you'll need to install it. Click on the downloaded file. Click on let's go. Now confirm that you want to install it. Once it has been installed, you can launch it. Now you'll see the login screen where you need to sign in with your EA account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly create a new account right there. Once you are logged in, you'll be taken to the home screen of EA app. From here, you can access the store, search for Madden NFL and download it directly to your PC. The app will also manage updates and game launches for you automatically. If you run into any issues during installation, make sure you have stable internet connection and your PC meets the system requirements. Restarting your PC can also help if the installer does not open properly. And that's it, you have successfully installed the EA app. You are ready to download and play Madden NFL on your PC. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.